is a time of joy, a time of sharing, a time of togetherness. But in the remote villages of Pakistan and among the ruins of Gaza, many families will face Eid with empty plates and silent tears. Too many have never even tasted meat on Eid. For them, Qurbani is a distant dream. This Eid, your Qurbani can change that. With Alkhidmat, your sacrifice reaches the forgotten. From the hills of Balochistan to the shattered streets of Gaza, your Qurbani brings more than nourishment. It brings joy, it restores dignity, and it carries your love across borders. A simple act of giving that turns hunger into hope and pain into prayer. Qurbani for Gazan and Pakistani families, a gift of hope. This Eid, let your hands deliver more than meat. Let them deliver compassion. Let them deliver hope. Let them deliver Eid to those who need it most. Join Alkhidmat Qurbani. Share your sacrifice. Share the joy of Eid. Give Qurbani with Alkhidmat. For online booking, log in to alkhidmat.org/Qurbani.